What is going on, guys? This is Anders Larsson, and today I'm going to talk about a SwagBucks hack that I just learned about on YouTube, and this is about using the cashback feature in the SwagBucks. I will explain what that is all about in a moment, but first I want to make a short introduction. My name is Anders Larsson and I'm an online marketer from Sweden. I started my YouTube channel over 3 years ago, helping people making money online. And I know that you are probably here because you want to learn how to make money online. And if you are, like I was, trying different methods online without having any success, I will share with you at the end of the video what I did to change all that. But without further ado, let's look into the SwagBucks cashback method. Basically, it is about buying low on Amazon and selling higher on eBay. So basically you flip items on Amazon. So what I do is that I go to Amazon and scan for different products. So I haven't done this yet. I don't know if this will work. So I want to tell you that this is a method that I learned from a YouTube video. I would like to try this, but right now I'm going to gather information because I have some concerns and questions about this. So I hope that I get help from different communities, and I'm going to post this as a question. So anyway, I go to Amazon, I check for different products, then I decide for one product, take the information from that product, including the picture, and then I go to eBay, right? So I'm now on eBay and I create a free listing. That means that I have all the information from Amazon and I publish that in the free listing. So no investment needed, and you look for products that doesn't cost much, but you sell it higher. Alright, so now I have my free listing on eBay and a customer comes to eBay and they find my free listing and hopefully they buy this product. So now I have the customer information and the money. Alright, so now I need to ship this product to this customer. So I basically buy the product on Amazon and enter the customer address where I want to send it. Also make sure that I get the return label in case the customer wants to return it. Alright, so now the product is shipped to the customer and I make profit. Now I'm supposed to use the SwagBucks and I use the cashback feature, and I could, for example, get 4% cashback on what I paid on Amazon. Now, here is the concerns, because I'm not a US citizen, I'm from Sweden, so maybe the options will be different. Maybe I don't have access to what I need to have access to in SwagBucks. Also, the same for Amazon and eBay. Maybe that will be a problem. Also, another thing, if you know web services like Fiverr and Etsy, on Fiverr where you sell services, on Etsy where you sell products, you know that if you create a Fiverr account or an Etsy account, it is going to be extremely hard to be able to compete, because most of the types of services or products are already invented or they already exist. That means that the keywords that you use in your service or in your product in the title is not going to be visible if you use a more competitive product. And of course, this is the same with eBay when you create your free listing. So then you might be thinking, okay, I create a lot of free listings until I find something that sticks. But here's another question. Maybe eBay limit the number of listings that you can have or that you can create per day. So then I have to do a research, supply and demand. I can find the supply. I can see that people are advertising different products. So here's an idea. I try to find products where I can only find 1 or 2 listed. But if I do that, then we have the problem that there is not so much demand. So I need to create a lot of listings to make it work. I don't know. This is the thing I need to figure out and that I am going to need help with. But the method is to use SwagBucks as an extra component. Alright, so that was pretty much about the SwagBucks cashback method. And now, as I promised, I'm going to share how I make money. And this is very simple. Instead of wasting my time trying different methods and getting no results in return, I create a video about the method that I want to explore. That means that I help people that are looking for the same thing, the same method. When I upload and publish the video on YouTube, people are going to look for the SwagBucks cashback method. Then I talk about the risks, the things that will bite people in the butt, maybe. And then I share with people there's another way to do this. Something that is very easy and pretty much anyone can do this. So if you remember the beginning of the video, I showed you this mind map. And what I did was I studied a video and laid out the component just enough to feel confident that I could create a video from it. It is so easy to do this. It is like filling in the missing dots. So now you share the things you learn on the way. That way you are really helpful to people by sharing what you learned and what your concerns are. By doing that, you build know, like, and trust. People are going to want to hear about your solution, how you make money. And because you have know, like, and trust, people know you, they like you, and they trust you. They might be interested in hearing about the solution that you use, the solution that I use to make money online. So what I do is to leave a link in the description that will take you to the system that I use. And this is a system that has coaches that can help you. And that is very nice to have if you feel stuck or you just want to get started with things. The system that I use is perfect for these kind of videos because you have a range from low ticket to high ticket products. That means that more experienced online marketers probably want to go for the high ticket products. And this is when you earn $1,000 or more. But that would take a little bit of time to do that because you have a lot of videos to upload to build your brand, to build your know, like, and trust. But the low ticket earnings happens more quickly. What I love about this is that I can explore anything as long as I create a video about it. Every little video helps. So now you know you don't have to take risks when you learn a new method. So this is very simple. I take, for example, Flipboard.com. This video is doing very well. And what you do is you click the link here in the description that will take you to my landing page. You can get my free video training. This is optional, but click the red button here and enter your information. Then Dave Sharp will take over, and this should be enough to find out what to do. Anyway, thank you for taking your time watching this video. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, then why not click the like button? This really helps my YouTube channel. Also, if you want more videos like this, then click the subscribe button and click the bell notification so you get notified when I release a new video. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.